One of the most underrated features buyers overlook isn't the kitchen. It isn't the countertops. It isn't even the number of bedrooms. It's the garage. A lot of buyers walk into the garage, see that their vehicle technically fits, and move on. But after helping buyers throughout Minot and northwestern North Dakota, I've noticed something. Many people don't realize whether the garage works until after they've already moved in. And once winter arrives, that's when they really notice. Today, I want to talk about why garage space matters far more than most buyers expect, especially here in North Dakota. A garage isn't just for parking. In some parts of the country, a garage is simply where the car sleeps. In North Dakota, it's a completely different story. The garage becomes the transition between your house and the weather. It's where the snowboarders live, lawn equipment, fishing gear, holiday decorations, and sometimes even a workshop. The garage ends up doing multiple different jobs at once. That's why simply asking, can my vehicle fit, isn't really enough. Attached versus detached garages. One question buyers ask often is whether an attached garage is really worth it. Personally, especially in North Dakota, I think there's a pretty significant convenience factor. Imagine it's January, it's 10 below zero, the wind is blowing, you just bought some groceries, and I mean, would you rather walk directly into your kitchen or carry everything across an icy driveway? Now imagine you have kids, a sleeping baby, or you're bringing luggage home after a vacation. Or you're simply getting home after a long day of work. An attached garage doesn't just save stops, it makes everyday life easier. Now, that doesn't automatically mean detached garages are bad. There are actually some situations where they're better. When detached garages make sense. Detached garages often provide more flexibility. Many are larger, some have workshops, and others have additional storage. Some buyers may even prefer them because noise from tools, woodworking, or hobbies stay away from the house. If you work on vehicles, restore cars, or want a dedicated shop, a detached garage may actually fit your lifestyle better. So it isn't about one being universally better, it's about understanding how you'll actually use it. Think beyond today's vehicle. Another mistake buyers make is shopping for today's needs only. Maybe today you only need one car, but what happens in the future if you buy a pickup, or eventually when the kids start driving? That's when life changes. It's worth asking whether the garage still works a few years from now. Winter changes everything. This is probably the biggest difference in North Dakota. A garage isn't just convenient. For many people, it changes their entire morning routine. No scraping windows. No warming the vehicle for minutes while waiting inside. No carrying groceries through blowing snow. And no climbing into an ice-cold vehicle every morning. The value of a garage often isn't fully appreciated until January. A beautiful kitchen might sell the house, but a functional garage can make you appreciate it every single day. When you're touring homes, don't spend 30 seconds in the garage and move on. Think about how you actually live. Picture your vehicles, your storage, your hobbies, your winter routines, because 6 months after closing, you're probably going to spend a lot more time thinking about your garage than your backsplash. If you're buying a home around Minot or anywhere in northwestern North Dakota, and you'd like help finding a home that actually fits the way that you live, not just one that looks good online, I'd be happy to help.